Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the most epic scene from the movie Bahubali 2.
Yes, and this is none other than Devsena entry fight scene.
Yes.
This is my personal favorite scene, you can say, and that is why I love Bahubali 2
Yeah.
more than like Bahubali original. Okay, so yes, this is
Just because
the
Devsena is
ultimate-
fighting
Huh.
and killing the goons.
Yeah, you can say. So
Yes, but, her
Devsena
entry
is
scene,
looking awesome.
Yes.
Okay, in this scene. So let's get started. We don't want to waste any time.
Right.
Let's get started. After that, we'll discuss more on
Yes.
this, scene, epic scene. So if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
जी हाँ।
That is-
ओहो, क्या धौंस है वीर बहादुर की।
Oh God.
कुछ लुटेरे और उनको पकड़ने के लिए भेष बदल कर आए हुए सैनिक, अपना कुछ काम नहीं।
He's on now.
Wow.
Beautiful eyes.
Wow.
That fight.
Oh.
Whenever we see this scene,
Oh God, I love this scene.
क्या बिजली की तरह तलवार चला रही है? ये कौन हो सकता है?
beauty with lot of strength.
वीर बहादुर कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहा है। ओह, प्रभु, दो लोग उस तरफ जाओ, दो लोग इस तरफ। जाओ क्या प्रभु? और 10 लोग
10 लोग इधर को.
That was epic, right? Okay. This fight scene, I love it. See, so many goons. Oh. Super,
Outstanding.
man, outstanding, yes.
Wow.
Execution, really.
Marvelous.
My goodness. He is gone mad now. Oh, you can't see anything else. And of course, this music.
The music is the epic. He's madly in love, like love at first sight. His expression. My God.
This one, right? Can't see anything now.
ये लड़की वाला मैटर.
Wow, that's the power.
ये कैसी हरकत है? तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है बाबू? तुमने उस पेड़ को काट डाला? अरे मुझसे जरा सी चूक होती तो मेरा सर फट जाता। जान चली जाती मेरी। ऐसा लगता है मैं उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ मामा। कुछ भी मतलब? मार डालोगे? मुझे भी मार डालोगे? विश्वासघाती, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए बचपन से क्या क्या नहीं किया। हमें मिलाने के लिए तो अभी तुम्हें
So
That was epic.
Epic, and this was unfortunate. It got break here
It
only.
got break here.
We are in the full mood to watch it.
We were like, okay, we are sitting and watching the full movie, and,
Yes, and
this scene is having a lot of emotion.
not
okay.
only this scene, but this full
This
movie. We
Dev
have
Sena
seen,
entry scene.
we have seen many times.
Many times, like this
particular
is
movie, yes.
particularly this scene I have seen so many times, and ever since I have started watching this scenes, I am like, oh my god, this movie is an epic movie, and I have to watch this movie in repetitive mode.
Yes.
And I
this,
did that
particularly
also.
this scene, it is having a lot of fight scene
Lot
as
of
well
fight
as,
scene as well as
with that
love.
lot of love emotional
Love
scene, you can
emotional,
say.
love at first sight.
Yes.
Wala
So music wise, wow.
Wow.
That was totally heart touching. You can say.
Yeah, so Anushka ji का जो entry है, my God, like the way she enters, the way
Yes.
the camera is capturing her face, her hair and everything is flowing, like it is extremely outstandingly done. Okay, मतलब the execution is superb, brilliantly executed, and also प्रभास जी का जो expression है, it was captured, like each and every point
He's
was like
master.
captured beautifully, like his expression, he was like seeing, and he was mesmerized, like this is, you know, something which is very real, and like anybody can, you know, feel, I think
Right.
कोई भी ये feel कर सकता है कि ये
This shows that how much
lot of emotion, powerful he is,
and
yes.
also this shows that beauty with lot of strength.
हाँ,
She can do
इसीलिए
anything.
तो इसीलिए ना मतलब बोल रहे थे कि सबसे अच्छी ये मिली है, बहू मिली है मेरे लिए, वो जो शिवगामी ये की थी ना, उनके लिए, उसके बेटे के लिए. So that is why, like I think for Dev Sena's character, Anushka is the best choice. I think nobody can
Yes.
you know, replace.
And also for
She is the
Bahubali.
best choice for Dev Sena, and for Bahubali, Prabhas ji is the best choice. I
His
think
height, physique,
everything is
expression,
like
the way
perfect.
It matches with a warrior getup and
Warrior
all. And
getup.
this particular getup also, it
Getup
suits
also.
him a lot.
Suits him a lot. Not only in the warrior, but also in this, you know, village kind
Romantic.
of guy, who is a little bit, you know, simple, but yeah, मतलब प्यार कर सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, kind of like that. The way he was giving his expression while
his face
killing
was
the goons
glowing.
also, glowing, हाँ. Yeah,
Blushing, you can say,
blushing,
right?
yeah, blushing, and होता है ना जब किसी के बारे में सोचते हो, kind of like that. He was smiling. He was like, his face is like he can do anything for her,
Right.
and he was telling also that I can do anything for
Yes,
her.
and also it's not
Right.
very easy task to show your
To
blushness
show.
on your face.
Very true.
While you are doing acting.
Yes, for actually for the male person it is very difficult,
right.
because girls लोगों के लिए क्या makeup आधा काम कर देता है,
Yes.
okay, but boys लोगों के लिए it's very difficult to show your blushes,
Inner expression. you
inner
can say.
expression. It is very difficult, and Prabhas ji is the superb actor. He is the expression
Right.
king, and
what about our Kadappa sir?
Katappa sir also. He is outstanding in his own perspective.
Exactly, he is one of the best, you can say, character in this role also.
Yes,
he has
yes.
done a lot of the movies, but I think this one was his best. I have seen whatever I have seen till now.
This one is, I think, one of his
Yes.
best movies
Yes.
out there. And also, like the way the music was like started going on at the time of, you know, cutting that parda and all, Dev Sena ka jo entry tha.
Entry.
The music selection is, my God. I think music is the showstopper.
I think Dev
here.
can't get best entries in better than this. She can't
Better than this, हाँ.
get any entries in better than this.
Better than this one, I think Dev Sena का जो entry scene है, मतलब Anushka's entry scene, you can say, in this movie is outstanding. I think no other movies, I think, is not having this kind of entry scenes of Anushka Sharma, I am telling. Because कोई भी आप entry scene देख लो, वो जो movie था ना, जो हम उस दिन देखे, Rudrama Devi and all, there also it is having that spark. Okay, she's very powerful actress, but here it's something like, मतलब it is having some sparks,
Totally
which no
expression
other
was
movies
totally
are having.
different.
Yes, which we are understanding. We are thinking that this movie is the best movie of Anushka Sharma also,
Yes.
as well.
But from part 1 and part 2, I like part 1.
Part
mostly,
1 you
yes.
like, but I
Because,
like part 2
just because
the
of
most.
fight and all. Part 1 is having a much better
Much
fight than
better,
whatever part 2 is having.
Yes,
That's
yes,
why.
yes. So I remember that part 2 we have seen in the movie theater.
First day
And
show.
first day, not first show, I think second
First-
show,
yes,
first day, second show. Yes, and the starting of the movie also, when the name were coming, no, at the very starting introduction was there.
Yes.
That time also that graphics was like superb.
was
If you
superb.
remember, guys, you can
Yes.
definitely connect with us that the graphics, वो जो first वाला scene का सारा graphics था,
Right.
कि वो पकड़ के चल रहा था,
Yes,
वो जो
yes. Right.
aged Devsena
I think
and all
we
of these
can do
things.
the entry scene of Prabhas also. It comes that with the
We
elephant
can do
and
that.
all. Yeah.
Elephant and all. We can do that also as well. But I was very much excited for this particular scene, and I was like thinking, okay, I have to give the reaction of Devsena entry scene once in my life, okay, on our channel. And yes, today I am very happy because this scene, after switching off the camera also, I will again see this scene because मुझे
Exactly.
बहुत अच्छा
We
लगता
generally
है.
used to remember these kind of scenes
Yeah.
also while we are sitting, and also mostly during weekends this either part 1 or part 2 used to come
Used to
on
come,
set max mostly.
So mostly, yes,
Yeah.
yes. So yeah, if you want to see more such this kind of movie scene of Bahubali 1 or Bahubali 2 movie, definitely let us know. We have a lot of plans to give the reaction on Bahubali movie because a lot of epic scenes are there already. We have covered the head cut scene and the I think arrow fight scene
Yes.
we have done,
Yes.
I think, right?
Arrow
And this one is the Devsena entry fight scene. If you
Yes.
want to see more such जो प्रवास का एंट्री सीन है या फिर और भी बहुत सारे सीन है, फाइट सीन, कालकिया फाइट सीन, a lot of scenes are there. You can definitely let us know, and we just will love to give the reaction on all of the scenes, movie scenes, because बाहुबली ऐसा टाइप का मूवी है ना कि हम हमेशा देख सकते हैं. एवरी टाइम रिपीटेटिव मोड में हम देख सकते हैं. दिस काइंड ऑफ मूवी इट इज. ओके, सो या दैट इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो, एंड दिस इज 10 out of 10.
Of course,
Of
no
course, no
doubt.
question. No question. 1 crore out of 10.
Bahubali
Each
scenes,
scenes.
each scene, except that last fight scene. Last fight scene I didn't love that much because it was graphics and all. It was
It
totally
is
out
not
of
out
context.
of context, yes. But still I love that scene because वो वाला scene ना, मतलब अभी का जो मूवी आता है ना उससे काफी बेटर है. ठीक है, इसीलिए आई लव बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हार्ड वर्क, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर एग्जीक्यूशन. इट इज नॉट अ easy task
Right, and
to
graphics and
complete the
VFX,
graphics and
whatever
VFX.
they have maintained,
So that is why
that's
I
what
love each and every scenes of Bahubali movie. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Jovi Josan Akrapati, and he is writing his comment on a post I shared for regarding KGF 2 teaser release. So he is writing waiting for KGF chapter 2 sequel official teaser.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
We
We
are
are also
also
waiting. I think it's going to release on Jan 8th.
Jan 8th,
Yeah,
yes,
so
yes.
teaser will be
We are very much
blasting, I
excited
think
for
so.
that. It will be
Yes.
blasting and super duper bomb blasting.
Right.
Okay, so January is going to be very fun, I think, ना, because
Right.
January में बहुत सारे
Not
कुछ
just January,
निकलने
but
वाले हैं.
2021
will
it will
be
very much exciting for
very
us.
much exciting for us. Yes,
A lot of the
definitely.
movies we are going to watch.
Please stay tuned for this, and so much धमाका will be happening on our channel also as well, क्योंकि जनवरी में अगर धमाका होगा तो उसका इफेक्ट हमारे चैनल में भी आएगा.
Yes.
And we too
as
are
much as
like
new movies get released, it will be affecting for us.
effective
also.
for us. Yes, we are extremely happy and
That
excited
is going
for
to
this.
be a bonus point for us. Yes.
Definitely. So yes, stay tuned for this, and yeah, we are also hoping for the best for KGF 2 and for any other movies. Okay, good movies,
Right.
poster, teaser, trailer, soon to become. We are hoping that also. And yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
The second comment for today's video is from Balaji Tamilian, and he's commenting, do react the Tupaki 12-man shootout, goosebumps.
Yes.
Already we have done that, Tupaki 12-man shootout scene.
So you can go and check out our channel.
The main channel, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. Okay, I think in this channel the video is not there. Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, you just have to search by the name Tupaki 12-man shootout, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. So that is our original channel. You can definitely get that video.
Yes.
That is there already. And yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Asghar Ali, and he is writing his comment on Master official teaser Telugu version reaction. So he is saying, मैं आपकी वीडियो श्रीलंका से देखता हूँ.
Thank
And
you.
It's very much appreciable for us.
Thank you so
that,
much.
people from outside
Outside
India
India
also
also are
watching.
watching.
And that's good that he is speaking Hindi also.
हाँ वो तो है.
Yes.
तो यही हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा पाना होता है कि सब कोई अलग अलग देश से भी हमारे वीडियो देखते
different
हैं,
language,
नॉट ओनली इन
different
कंट्री,
religion, so
हाँ
we are
इंडिया,
able to connect to everybody.
connect to
That's a
everybody.
very great
हाँ,
achievement
we are
for
feeling
us.
very happy for this.
Yes.
We are feeling very glad that people are liking our videos, and like you people, they all are, you know, getting connected with us. So yeah, thank you so much for your comment, Asghar, and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.